Hi, this is Labeler, your go to platform for data annotation, and I would be talking about a very great feature that has been specially designed keeping your workflow in mind. Keeping in mind that the data you share with Labeler may not be very high resolution data in order to enhance its quality, so that the annotators annotate every detail very accurately, we have provided the feature of image display settings. You can change the brightness, contrast, enhance the image, change the hue, change the saturation levels or luminance of the image so that details pop out more prominently in the image so that the annotators annotate these details with greater accuracy. So let's test these filters. So I click on this icon, you'll get the brightness filter. Now, there's a possibility that certain images may be underexposed or overexposed to light. Irrespective of whether they are underexposed and overexposed, you want to see the details more clearly so that annotation is done with greater accuracy. So that you see the details clearly, you can change the brightness of the image to lighten or darken the image so that certain parts are brought out more clearly in the image. Now, what's contrast? Contrast is actually adjusting the difference between different tones in the images. It helps you bring out certain details more prominently so that annotation is done with greater accuracy. And hence, it's a quick tune up for the image. There's a possibility that you may have shared the image with us in which the colors may not be very prominent or certain objects may not be very prominent. So Enhance would tune up the image so that it's ready for the annotation process. Saturation. Saturation helps in popping out colors more with greater intensity. There's a possibility, there may be a use case where you may be dealing with annotations where the color matters. Saturation would bring out the colors more and would help the annotator accurately annotate certain details in the images. Luminance also helps in increasing the brightness of the image. It helps in bringing out details of the image so that the annotators are able to annotate the objects with a lot of accuracy. So I hope image display settings would actually help every stakeholder involved in the annotation process get accurate annotated data. Thank you for being a patient listener.